Good morning, friend. We are discussing about the Vision IS5 question. Let's discuss the first question. First question is related to the polity section. We are asking about the member of parliament that is liable under that disqualification under the 10th schedule. Okay, number first statement is said like that: if he votes contrary to the direction given by the political party, then he might be liable for the disqualification in the 10th schedule. Second statement is said that like that: if any nominated member, you know very well, in Lok Sabha there is one member that get nominated, in Rajya Sabha 12 member from various field get selected so that they can represent and increase expertise in the Rajya Sabha for the better clear understanding of the various bill that is related to that topic. Number third statement is said like that: if he is expelled from the political party to which he belongs immediately before the election, can be liable for the disqualification, and option in front of you are first and second and third. I again repeat the question: in which of the following cases member of parliament is liable for disqualification in the 10th schedule? Number first statement is said like that: if he vote contrary to the direction given by his political party. Number second, if any nominated member join any other political party before the expiration of the 6th month. Number third, if he is expelled from the political party to which he belongs immediately before the election, and you have to choose the correct option from the given option. Let's see the next question. Next question is as usual related to the geography section, in which they are asking about some of the basic facts regarding India. Number first statement, you said like that: India accounts for more than 5% of the world land surface area. Number second, it is the 7th largest country in the world on the basis of area. Number third, the longitude or the latitude extent of India is roughly 50 degrees. So, latitude and longitude extent is 50 degrees. You have to choose the correct option from the given option, first and second, third, first, second and third, and you have to choose the correct option from the given option. I again repeat the question for the better understanding of the question. India accounts for the more than 5% of India's world land surface area. It is the 7th largest country in the world on the basis of area. Number third, the latitude and longitude extent of India is roughly 50 degrees. So you have to choose the correct option from the given option. Very easy question. Let's see the next question. Next question is related to the art and culture. Just a minute. Yes. Which among the following are the unique features of the Dravidian style of the architecture? So first statement is said like the temple built on a highly raised platform as per the Dravidian style when the temple architecture is followed. Number second, presence of large water reservoir in temple complex is a unique feature of the Dravidian style of temple architecture. Is it? Number third, temple enclosed within the compound wall. So you have to choose the correct option from the given option, and option in front of here first and third, second only, first and second only. Again repeat the question: which among the following are the unique feature of the Dravidian style of the temple architecture? Number first statement is said like that: temple built on a highly raised platform. Second, presence of large water reservoir in a temple complex. Number third, temple enclosed within a compound area, and you have to choose the correct option from the given option. Let's see the next question. Next question is related to the history section. They are asking about the moderate in the 19th century. Which of the following statement does not accurately represent the views of the moderate in 19th century? What do you mean by the 19th century? 1800 to 1899 is called as the 19th century. For example, 19th century is nothing but a 1800 to 1899, sorry, right? मतलब है कि 1900 से पहले and 1800 से बाद. Number first statement is said regarding not correct regarding the moderate. They wanted the abolition of the salt tax. Number second, they exported import duties on items used by the rich and the middle class. Number third, they believed the railway had ushered in a commercial revolution so that the economic development can be happen in India. Number fourth, they supported the policy of the free trade so that the level playing field can be given to the not only the Indians but also the British, and not only the British but also the Indians. I again repeat the question: which of the following statement does not accurately represent the views of the moderate in the 19th century in India? Number first statement is said like that: they wanted the abolition of the salt tax. Number second, they supported import duties on items used by the rich and the middle classes. Number third, they believed the railway had ushered in a commercial revolution. Number fourth, they supported the policy of the free trade. And let's see the next question. Next question is related to the as usual environmental sections. Are asking about the stenothermal organism. Steno is nothing but a narrow thing. Steno का मतलब कुछ नहीं होता है, narrow. हाँ, type of a bridging is there, and thermal is related to the temperature or a type of organism is there. Which of the following statement is correct regarding them? Number first statement is said like that: they can live only in a place with extremely low temperature. Second, they can only tolerate a very narrow range of temperature. Number third, they go into hibernation during winter. Number fourth, they can tolerate and thrive in a wide range of temperature. And you have to choose the correct option from the given option. I again repeat the question: which of the following is the stenothermal organism characteristic of the stenotherm? They can live only in a place with extremely low temperature. Number second, they can only tolerate a very low range of a temperature. They go into hibernation during winter. Number four, they can tolerate and thrive in a wide range of temperature. Let's see the next question. But the answer of the first question. Just a minute. Yes, if you are talking about the 10th schedule disqualification, which of the following is liable? Yes, if he contrary to the direction given by his political party, yes, that is can be liable for the disqualification of the 10th schedule. If you are talking about the if any nominated member join any political party before the expiry of 6 months, then he is not liable for disqualification. But this condition is true for the individual member that are not belong to any other party. Number third, if he expelled from the political party to which he belong immediately before the election, that is not correct because it's their right how they can be chosen by the people and which ideology he want to like. The constitution of lays down the people shall be disqualified from being member of parliament if he disqualified of the defection under the provision of the 10th schedule. A member incurred disqualification under defection law. Number first statement said like that: if he voluntarily give the membership of the political party to which he belonged immediately before the election, so that can be correct. If he vote or abstains from voting in the house contrary. If any independent elected member joins any other political party, then he is liable. If any nominated member joins any political party after the expiry of 6 months, that can also be qualified for the disqualification. Let's see, you can read from the following qualification. Let's see the next question. Next question is related to the geography section. India account for more than 5%. No, I think 3.2% है. 3.28 million square kilometer is the area of India, but it is just 2% of the world area. Second, it is the 7th largest country in the world on the basis of the area. That is correct. The latitude and longitude extent of India is roughly 50 degrees. No, I think 90 degrees there. Let's see the thing. Okay, only second is correct. India account for the 3.28 million square kilometer. That is 2.4% of the world area precisely. Stand as the 7th largest country in the world. So first statement is not correct, but second statement is correct. The latitude and longitude extent of India is roughly about 30%, not 50%. The main 50 degree. The main land of India extends from 8 degree to 37 degree. You can see here the major qualification and the major detail of the being extent of India in the terms of latitude and longitude. Let's see the next question. Next question is related to the Dravidian style of architecture. So I think second and third is correct. They enclose within the compound wall. I think that is known as the Gopuram. The presence of large water reservoir in the temple complex is quite important. It is a unique feature that are found in Dravidian style of architecture. And why to be so? Because various activity are controlled from the temple itself, and it is the major position who are associated with the temple administration. Temple built on a highly raised platform, that is the characteristic feature of the Nagara style of temple. So third is correct because unique feature of the Dravidian style of architecture is number first. The Dravidian style of temple enclosed with a compound wall. The front wall has an entrance gate in its center, which is known as Gopuram. The shape of the main temple tower is known as Vimana in Tamil Nadu. Is like a stabbed pyramid that rises up geometrically rather than the curving shikhara of North India. The Northern India idea of multiple shikharas rise together as a cluster, not popular in South India. So hence third statement is correct. Second की अगर हम बात करते हैं presence of large water. It is common to find a large water reservoir or a temple tank enclosed within the complex. That is the unique feature basically. Number third, if you are talking about the temples Dravidian style were built on a leveled ground without any raised platform. The raised platform were used in Nagara style of temple in North India. So first is also not correct. The Northern Indian temple consists of the garbhagriha. It would be usual to find images such as the Mithuns that are found basically in the North India region, and the river goddesses in the north or the northwestern belt of Indian or the Gangetic Valley, you can say more precisely Ganga and Yamuna. In the southern, if you are talking about generally, sculpture of the fires, Dwarpala or the doorkeeper guarding the temple is shown there. Subsidiary shrines are either incorporated with the main temple tower or located as distinct separate small shrine beside the main temple. Let's see the next question. Next question is related as usual which of the following is not accurately represent the view of the moderate in 19th century idea. So fourth is correct. They support the policy of the free trade, so that is not correct. Let's see. The tariff policy of the British government convinced the early nationalists that British economic policy in India were basically guided by the interest of the British capitalist class. The early nationalists, for example, the moderate, strongly criticized the colonial pattern of finance. Taxes were so raised they argued to be overburden the poor while letting the rich, especially the foreign capitalists and bureaucrats, go scot-free. Scot-free is nothing but like that when they are indulged in the corruption, the punishment is not given to them. So the demanded the abolition of the salt taxes and support the imposition of income tax and import duties also, so that the government would come up with the type of a revenue through these type of imposition or taxation, and that indirectly help the Indian financer also. That is the views of the early moderate. The early nationalists pointed out that the railway had not been coordinated with India's industrial needs, so that is their view. They had therefore ushered in a commercial, not an industrial revolution, which enabled import of foreign goods to undersell domestic industrial product. Moreover, they say that the benefit of the railway construction in terms of encouragement to the steel and machine industry and to capitalist investment had been reaped by British and not in India. According to the early nationalists, a major obstacle to rapid industrial development was the policy of a free trade, which was on one hand ruining India's handicraft industries and on the other hand focusing the infant and underdeveloped embryonic stage modern industries into the premature and disaster competition with the highly organized and developed industries of the world that are come in India. Let's see the next question. Next question is, which of the following are the characteristics of the stenothermal organism? I already told you steno is nothing but a narrow. Thermal is related to the temperature. They can tolerate a very narrow range of temperature is the best explanation that are given here. Stenothermal animal are those which have the ability to tolerate only a narrow range of temperature. For example, penguin, python, crocodile. Python is a type of or a category of a snake which does not have a poison in them. Eurythermal is nothing but they can tolerate wide range of temperature. For example, cat, dog, tiger and human are also included in this. The level of the thermal tolerance of different species determined to a large extent their geographical distribution. By this we are ending the session.